A narcissist doesn't just use you emotionally. Sometimes they use you financially too. At first, it doesn't look like manipulation. It looks like love. They ask for a small favor, then another, then money, then sacrifices you never planned to make. And while you're thinking you're building a future together, they're learning how much they can take from you. The cruelest part? When everything falls apart, they make you feel guilty for trusting them. You offered. I never forced you. You're making this about money. But real love doesn't leave you drained, in debt, confused, and carrying burdens that were never yours. If you're starting to realize you weren't helping, you were being manipulated. My guide, Reclaim Your Life, will help you rebuild your confidence, set healthy boundaries, and break free from toxic patterns. You'll find it in the link in my profile. And if you'd like more information, feel free to send me a DM.